Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for a house planning in the dimensions of 30 feet by 75 feet. This is ground floor plan and this is first floor plan. I designed this house plan for one of my clients. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services. Guys, you can see this is its front side. So this is road. So the width is 30 feet and the length is 75 feet. Guys, we have two side open passage. Back side is 5 feet and left side is also 5 feet. Okay, this is open to sky or open passage for proper ventilation and sanitary. This is main gate, which width is 13 feet, and this is front lawn, which is 10 feet. If you see, guys, this is the driveway. So the first one, you will find the car porch size is 14 feet 4.5 inches by 14 feet 7.5 inches, and this is open passage. So also you can make a small garden here in this place. Next, guys, you can see this is fire when you use these two steps. So it's a receptional area, you can say. So the first one, this is a drawing room. Size is 14 feet 1.5 inch by 15 feet 4.5 inches, and this is its window to the front lawn side. Okay, next, attached, we have a dining. You can access to this dining from this side, from this drawing room. Next, you have also access from this TV lounge to this dining. This is a powder room. Size is 5 by 4 feet. This is its ventilation. So the first one, you will find the lounge size is 13 feet by 14 feet. This is a corner window for cross ventilation, and this is a sitting area. Okay, you can see clearly. So here, this is up for the stairs. So this is stair hall. Size is 10 feet 4.5 inches. Next, guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size is 13 feet by 19 feet and 6 inches. So this is a kind of hall, and this is its window. You can see the proper ventilation here. Next, guys, you can see this is its bath. Size is 8 feet by 6 feet 7.5 inches. Length is 8 feet, width is 6 feet and 7.5 inches. So here, guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size is 9 feet 9 inches by 12 feet 1.5 inch, and this is the exit door. At the back side, we have steel circular stairs, you can see clearly. So this is ground floor plan. You can make a screenshot from this if you like this planning. Next, guys, this is its first floor. So on the first floor, guys, you can see clearly we have 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms on the top, the other one is servant quarter. At the back side, you can use it as I discussed on the planning. At the back side, we have steel circular stair. So here, guys, you can see when you access by this stair, so this is down to the ground floor. So this is sitting area. So this is the first bedroom. Size, you can see clearly, this is its size. This is bath, you can see this is low roof on the top of the car porch, and this is its terrace. Next, this is a lounge. Size, you can see clearly, and here this is a corner window for this bedroom. This is the second bedroom. You can see its sizes. Also, this is a dressing plus bath. Size 13 feet by 6 feet. This is its window. Next, this is servant quarter. From the back side, you can use it. Size is 9 feet 9 inches by 8 feet and 9 inches, and this is small toilet. Size is 4 by 5 feet. So small veranda or balcony you have at the back side of this, and this is its store. Size is 9 feet 9 inches by 5 feet. So this is one of the luxury design in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet, which I did for one of my clients. So hope this short video can help you how to make a luxury house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.